morning, Heather. How you doing?
Good morning. Good. How are you?
Fantastic. What's going on today?
We're going skydiving.
Awesome. Jumping out of an airplane for the first time.
Perfectly good one. Yeah.
Yeah. Any special reason for jumping today?
We had the opportunity.
Awesome. Yeah. On vacation, go have some fun.
Yep.
Who do you got out here to jump with you today?
My husband, Justin.
Hey, Justin. Is this your first time too? Awesome, man. Well, Heather, we're going to be going up to 13,500 feet, jumping out of that airplane outside and coming back down at over 120 miles an hour. Anything you want to say to friends and family watching this video?
Nation.
All right, let's go have some fun. I'll see you out there.
Sky.
Welcome back, Heather. How was that?
Awesome. Incredible.
You were free to stand up? What do you think was your favorite part?
I don't even know.
No?
The rush, that was awesome.
You did great. You think you'll ever do it again?
Absolutely.
Awesome, Heather. Thank you for choosing Skydive DeLand.
Thank you.
Let me get some photos of you and Christian.